forecast you can trust. Here's 1011 meteorologist Sean Viale.
We talked to Kevin a little bit ago, and he said it's going to be chilly tonight in Santa Clara, California. And he would be right. They're under a freeze warning for tonight. As of kickoff, local time, 6:15 p.m., 44 degrees. Very clear skies, very calm winds throughout the entire night for the Huskers and the Bruins. 35 right around the time the game ends at 10 p.m. Again, weather not really a factor, maybe a little bit chilly, but other than that, I think they're looking good. Now, as far as Nebraska is concerned, weather is a factor for us. It will be in the next couple of days. Sunday night through Tuesday morning, that's where this winter storm watch is in place for. Eastern Nebraska, and you can tell pretty much the entire, from the Tri-Cities over. That's what we're looking at. Hall County, Adams County, not technically included in this, but we are right next door. Would you believe me if I said up to maybe a foot of snow? Now, I'm not going to do specifics on that just yet. We'll get back to that. So don't think that you're going to get a foot in Lincoln. Teens for western Nebraska right now, 15 in Broken Bow, 17 for North Platte. Same goes for Ord, 20 in Grand Island, 21 Hastings, 32 for Lincoln, right around the freezing point for Beatrice and Omaha as well, with 36 in Falls City. Take a look at your wind chills, and it feels like below 0 for Ord, Broken Bow at 3 under. Feels like -2 in Thedford, 1 for North Platte, single digits for the Tri-Cities, 7 in Columbus, 4 for Norfolk, up to 18 in Lincoln and 21 for Omaha. Why are our wind chills so much lower than our actual temperatures? Well, it's easy to see when we look at our winds. These are your average sustained wind gusts outside. 29 in Grand Island, 29 in Hastings. Look at Lincoln popping up to 30 miles per hour out of the north. 25 for Ord, 20 for North Platte. A look at wind gusts doesn't show a much prettier picture. A 36 mile per hour wind gust in Lincoln. Check out Hastings, recording a 43 mile per hour wind gust. 38 in Kearney, 36 in Grand Island. So I think we can safely say it is windy out across Nebraska. Satellite and radar shows the snow earlier today near Cherry County. They had some winter storm warnings for earlier today, winter weather advisories across western Nebraska in general. So they've got the snow they've had for today, and they're looking to move on, and I think they can. As far as eastern Nebraska, we're maybe seeing a little bit of light snow into Gage County, Richardson County, but for the most part, we're dry for tonight for your Saturday, and truly for much of your Sunday as well, but that will change. Let's look at Skycast. We'll go through your Saturday night, and again, things generally calm, maybe even some sunny skies by the time we wake up on your Sunday morning. Head in the afternoon, those clouds quickly fill back in. We'll get a low pressure system in from the south. We'll see that pop up in through the overnight hours, and that's exactly when your snow chance begins. Now, the thing about snow, low pressure system, that snow is going to mainly be, or the highest band of snow is going to be to the west of this low pressure system. So we'll put this into motion through your Monday, and that low pressure system is just off to the east of Lincoln and Omaha and the Tri-Cities. So the highest bands of snowfall is going to be right along eastern Nebraska into portions of northwest Iowa. We're going to be wanting to watch this very closely. I think this could very well be, I would say hopefully this would be the biggest snowfall that we get all season, because I think if we get a foot, that would be plenty for me. Let's take a look at snowfall potential. We're just going to look at a general, where is it going to be? We're not going to throw out numbers just yet. That'll come in your tomorrow's forecast. Obviously, Ord, O'Neill, maybe a little bit down to the Tri-Cities, but your main band is right here. Look at Omaha and Sioux City. The contour, the colors, they just disappear, because that's how high this one computer model wants to put it. And so eastern Nebraska looking to be under the gun for this as we head throughout your Monday. Keep that in mind. 9 p.m. tonight, 29 degrees. Breezy conditions. We are still breezy into tomorrow, 8 a.m., 18 degrees, and 24 by 4 p.m. So going to be a chilly day on your Sunday. The snow picks up late in the day, and then mainly on your Monday. That's when that snowfall is going to come. We do have those winter storm watches in place. National Weather Service saying maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow around the Lincoln area, and Natalie, very well could be more in some spots. So again, we want to watch that forecast on Monday very closely.
I've never been sledding, so I'm thinking this might be a great opportunity to go, right?
I think so. Even if we're on the small end of our forecast range, it would still be a good sledding day.
All right, a lot of snow coming our way. The Huskers are next. Stick with us.